guys, welcome back to Crafty Q. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft creeper centerpiece. So first thing you have to do is actually do a printout of a creeper face. So I just went to Google and typed in Minecraft creeper face and this popped up. So I just printed two on one page and then now I'm going to just cut it out. I'll try and make sure I am neat in cutting them out around the same size. Trying to get as less of the white paper around it as possible. My son is infatuated with Minecraft, so for his 7th birthday, we actually did a Minecraft birthday party. So at the time, there wasn't a lot of Minecraft options out there in the store to actually purchase. So I pretty much made everything. And the great thing is that, you know, everything's square, so it's easy to kind of work with. All right, so once you have your two Minecraft faces cut out, then you're going to take, take the centerpiece stick. So this is just a regular like skewer. You can get these from the grocery store. You can even sometimes find them at Dollar Tree in the cooking section. So then you need your hot glue and try and find the center so that your centerpiece actually gets attached in the middle. So I'm going to do my best. I'm holding it up towards the light so that I can actually find the middle of his face. Okay, so I have my glue right down the center. I'm just going to attach the stick. I kind of put it halfway, a little above halfway, so that's not too flimsy. So attach the stick. Then I take my glue stick and put it all around the edges. Then I take the other side, make sure I have it the right way. I don't want to put his face upside down. And I'm just going to be careful and try to match up the sides. Press down. So my glue isn't holding that great, so I have to take a little of my hot glue to kind of hold it down better. Normally I would use double-sided tape, but at the moment, the hot glue is working just fine. Okay, so there you have it. Actually, let me cut a little of the white part off. So you just see mostly of his green face. Okay, so there we have the stick all put together. The next, I'm going to take two paper napkins, just regular paper napkins. I'm going to unfold them. So I have one going this way, and then I'm going to put the other one going down this way. And then I'm going to pinch the center so that it creates this kind of look. I'm going to put this in my just regular plastic cup. You can use a box or anything, a basket or whatever you like. And I'm going to take Play-Doh because I find it easier to put my centerpiece sticks in here and I can reuse it. So I'm going to take my Play-Doh, stick my centerpiece right in the middle of the Play-Doh, and then stick that whole Play-Doh in the center of my cup, and then kind of cover the napkin to cover the Play-Doh a little bit, and there you have it. You now have your Minecraft centerpiece. Pretty quick and easy and cheap. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified of more videos like this. Actually, you have to hit the bell to get notified, but please subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified for more DIYs like this. And thank you guys for watching. Take care.